Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can clear history on Reddit. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Reddit application on your Android device, then get logged into your account. Here at the homepage of Reddit, you can see search bar on top of the screen. You tap on it. There you will be able to see the search history. Now to remove or to delete the search history, you just need to tap on the cross icon just beside of the history. And with that, the one by one, the search history will be cleared from the Reddit. To delete all the history at once on Reddit, you just need to go to your profile on top right side of your screen. There you will see the option of history. You need to tap on it and you will be shown all the history that you have searched in your Reddit. To delete all those, you need to tap on three dotted vertical line on top right side of your screen. Then you just need to tap on clear history. And with that, all the recent search history on your Reddit will be deleted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can clear history on Reddit. Thank you.